Hi folks, Ken here at Arizona Premium Mattress. Today I'm going to teach you how you can build your own mattress using the very same components found in today's major brands. So let's take a look. The most common used component is called a base core. Okay, and what this is a polyurethane. It's a heavy or high density polyurethane base core. Usually it's about 6 inches. All the reputable companies are going to be using CertaPure, which means there's no heavy chemicals and things like that in the particular product. It's not all that expensive. It's very functional. It'll hold up, last quite a while. Then on top of that, they're going to put a variety of different toppers. This happens to be a piece of Hypergel. Hypergel is made by Future Foam. It's CertaPure. It has the feel of gel-infused memory foam. However, it breathes so much better because it's open cell foam. So what a lot of companies will do, of course, is just put regular old memory foam on here. They'll put a gel-infused memory foam, put a fancy label on it, great marketing, and sell it for a whole bunch of money. Well, I can tell you that you can buy the polyurethane foam and the Hypergel from our website for much, much less. Now, the other way that they like to do it is with latex on top of the polyfoam. Now, what I'm showing you is the least expensive ways of doing this. So latex, of course, is the premium of all foams. It's extremely durable. It's cool to sleep on. It comes in a variety of firmnesses. You can see we have 5 different firmnesses of latex that you can choose from. So you have your base core made out of polyfoam. Then you have your toppers, which can be, they also come in soft, medium, firm, so on and so forth. And then you have your latex toppers, which are going to be the most durable. They'll be a little more expensive, but it's money well spent. Now, the other way of doing it, instead of having a polyfoam base core, you can actually do a latex base core and then put another layer of latex on top of that. That's our most popular, and that's money that's very well spent because you're going to have extreme durability with the product, but the comfort is second to none. Now let's look at another even more common way of doing it, and that's with what everybody knows as a spring base. So let's unzip this cover. We'll peel the cover back. So this particular one is using a latex topper over a pocket coil spring. This is what's commonly referred to as a hybrid. Pocket coil springs, of course, are well known. They hold up quite well over time. But what's happening is the major manufacturers are not using latex over it. They're using inexpensive memory foam, polyfoams, and things like that. And they just don't hold up. They're telling you need to buy a bed every 5 to 7 years now, and that's true. But guess what? You're not even getting 5 to 7 years out of it. And unlike our beds, which have a zippered cover, they're already sealed up. You can't do anything about it. It's not the spring. The spring is holding up just fine through the years. It's that polyfoam memory foam topper that just does not hold up for very long. And once it fails and starts dipping and sagging, there is nothing you can do about it. This is why it's so important that you get a zippered cover. And that's what we make our own zippered covers here. So 10, 15 years down the road, when this latex does finally start to show some signs of wear, Yet that spring underneath, or the polyfoam base, or the latex base is still going just fine. Well, guess what? You just replace the top layer. How about that? It's so simple, makes so much sense, which is why we just trademarked the phrase common sense mattress, because that's what these are. These are common sense. Just look at your past history with the mattresses that you've owned. How many of them could have been fixed if they had a zippered cover? And that's what I'm here to teach you today. You must get a mattress with a zippered cover so you have access to the components of that bed. Now, we sell all the components of the mattress. You can design just about anything you want. If you want to do a polyfoam base, you want to do some gel infused memory foam, maybe some latex on top, kind of like this here, you can do that. And they come in all different firmnesses. So believe me, having the zippered cover in a mattress is so important. And look how hard they are to find. Yeah, they don't want you to be able to do this. They want you to have to buy a new mattress every 5 to 7 years. That's called planned obsolescence. So let's fight back. Let's fight back with the mattress industry. I'm sure they don't want me to get this video out because knowledge is king in this world. And I'm giving you some knowledge so you can fight back, get your money's worth, and not have to go out and buy a whole new mattress over and over and over again. So visit our website, Arizona Premium Mattress. The domain name is mattresses.net. You can look in our components, our latex toppers, our latex cores, our springs, our polyfoam bases, our covers are all there. If you need any help, don't hesitate to reach out. We have live chat on our website. We have text or email. So reach out. www.mattresses.net. Thanks for viewing.